Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to take a look at one of the cars available for rent at Toronto Pearson International Airport and also some of the other Canadian airport locations. And that is a 2022 Ford Mustang GT Premium Convertible. Just a quick reminder, go ahead and click that subscribe button if you haven't already subscribed. And click that like button if you want to see more of these car review videos of car rentals. The Ford Mustang Convertible is available as an upgrade on arrival when you are picking up your vehicle with National, Alamo, or Enterprise. Currently, there doesn't seem to be any availability, at least for the rest of the summer, to book the convertible class directly. However, some dates may have the American Muscle Car class available for booking, which would be the coupe or hardtop version of the Ford Mustang GT. With the car shortages, we've seen some unique trim levels show up in the car rental fleets, and this is another example of that. This Mustang GT convertible has the optional GT Performance Package, a $6,500 Canadian option. This includes the 19-inch black wheels with 255/40 19-inch tires on the front and 275/40 19s on the rear, along with Brembo 6-piston front brake calipers with larger rotors. Oil pressure and vacuum gauges are included between the vents and above the radio, one of the easiest ways to tell if the car that you have comes with this package. This one also has the 401A package with the blind spot indicators and adaptive cruise control. Active valve performance exhaust was also included with this car, which allows you to change the sound of the volume of the exhaust. We'll take a look at that a little bit more, and I'll show you how to turn that on once we take a look at the interior. The B&O Premium Sound System, which holds speakers and a subwoofer, a $1,000 option, was also included in this vehicle. If you go into settings here and select exhaust mode, you can change the sound of the exhaust, with track mode being the loudest. Note that every time you turn off the car and restart it, this will reset back to normal. The GT comes with a 5-liter V8 using port fuel direct injection, 450 horsepower and 410 pound-feet of torque, with a 0 to 60 time of 4.2 seconds. Horsepower is down 10 from last year for the 2022 model year due to more stringent emission requirements. I'll let you listen to the engine here, and we'll take it out for a quick drive so you can hear it on the road. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.